Module 3, Marketing Strategy. Marketing strategy is a plan of action that outlines how an organization will use marketing and promotional techniques to achieve its marketing objectives and goals. It involves making strategic decisions on how to allocate resources, position products or services, target customer segments, and create value for customers, all with the aim of achieving a competitive advantage in the market. Here are the key components of a marketing strategy. 1. Market segmentation. Identify and segment the target market into distinct groups based on relevant criteria such as demographics, psychographics, behavior, and needs. This helps in understanding and catering to the specific needs and preferences of different customer segments, allowing for more effective marketing efforts. 2. Target market selection. Choose the most attractive and viable customer segments to focus on based on factors such as market size, growth potential, profitability, and alignment with the organization's capabilities and resources. This helps in allocating marketing resources efficiently and effectively. 3. Positioning. Develop a clear and differentiated positioning for products or services in the minds of target customers. This involves creating a unique value proposition that highlights the benefits and advantages of the organization's offerings compared to competitors. Positioning helps in establishing a distinct brand identity and positioning products or services in the market. 4. Marketing mix. Develop marketing mix strategies, also known as the 4 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. These strategies involve decisions on product features and attributes, pricing strategies, distribution channels, and promotional activities. The marketing mix should align with the organization's overall marketing objectives and positioning strategy. In conclusion, a well-defined marketing strategy is critical for organizations to achieve their marketing objectives and succeed in the competitive marketplace. It involves a systematic approach to segmenting the market, selecting target customers, positioning products or services, developing marketing mix strategies, building a strong brand, analyzing the competition, allocating resources, and measuring performance. A robust marketing strategy helps organizations create value for customers, build customer relationships, and achieve a competitive advantage in the market. Developing effective marketing strategies. Developing effective marketing strategies involves a systematic and strategic approach to identify and capitalize on market opportunities, achieve marketing objectives, and drive business success. Here are some key steps to develop effective marketing strategies. 1. Define marketing objectives. Start by clearly defining your marketing objectives. What do you want to achieve through your marketing efforts? Your marketing objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Examples of marketing objectives include increasing brand awareness, generating leads, increasing sales, expanding market share, improving customer retention, or launching a new product/service. 2. Conduct market research. Conduct thorough market research to gain insights into your target market, customer needs, preferences, behaviors, and market trends. Understand your customers, competitors, and the overall market dynamics. Identify opportunities and challenges in the market that can inform your marketing strategies. 3. Segment your market. Segment your market into distinct groups of customers with similar characteristics, needs, or behaviors. This allows you to tailor your marketing strategies and messages to specific customer segments, increasing the relevance and effectiveness of your marketing efforts. 4. Set marketing strategies and tactics. Based on your marketing objectives, market research, segmentation, and value proposition, develop marketing strategies and tactics that align with your overall business goals. This includes decisions on product, price, place, promotion, and other marketing mix elements. Your marketing strategies and tactics should be integrated, consistent, and aligned with your target market and customer needs. In conclusion, developing effective marketing strategies requires a strategic and data-driven approach that considers market research, customer segmentation, value proposition, marketing mix decisions, implementation, monitoring, and continuous adaptation. By following these key steps, organizations can create marketing strategies that drive business success, deliver value to customers, and achieve their marketing objectives. Branding and advertising. Branding and advertising are important components of marketing that play a crucial role in creating awareness, building customer loyalty, and promoting products or services. Here's an overview of branding and advertising. Branding. Branding refers to the process of creating and establishing a brand identity for a product, service, or company in the minds of customers. It involves developing a brand name, logo, tagline, colors, visual elements, brand personality, and other brand elements that distinguish a company or product from its competitors. A strong brand creates a unique and memorable identity that resonates with customers, builds trust, and helps differentiate a company or product in the market. Key elements of branding include 1. Brand positioning, defining the unique value proposition and positioning of a brand in the minds of customers. 2. Brand identity, creating visual elements such as a logo, tagline, colors, and other brand assets that represent the brand. 3. Brand messaging, developing consistent and compelling messaging that communicates the brand's value proposition, benefits, and personality. 4. Brand experience, ensuring that the brand promise is consistently delivered across all customer touchpoints, including products, services, customer interactions, and brand communication. Advertising. Advertising is the process of creating and delivering promotional messages to a target audience through various paid channels such as print media, television, radio, online platforms, social media, and other forms of media. The goal of advertising is to create awareness, generate interest, influence attitudes, and persuade customers to take action, such as purchasing a product or service. Key elements of advertising include 1. Advertising objectives, setting clear objectives that align with overall marketing and business goals, such as increasing sales, building brand awareness, or promoting a new product launch. 2. Advertising message, developing a compelling and targeted message that resonates with the target audience and communicates the benefits and value of the product or service. 3. Advertising channels, identifying and selecting the most appropriate advertising channels to reach the target audience effectively, considering factors such as target demographic, budget, reach, and frequency. 4. Media planning and buying, planning and buying media space or time in selected advertising channels to deliver the advertisements to the target audience. Branding and advertising work together to create a consistent and compelling brand presence in the market, communicate the value proposition to customers, and influence their perceptions and behaviors. A strong brand supported by effective advertising can enhance brand awareness, build customer loyalty, and drive business success.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.